prior to starting the repair, this is the piece we're going to take out. So first thing we're going to do is use our siding zipper to get underneath the lock of the siding. And it unzips it from the piece below it. That's it. Once the siding is loose, we're going to get our flat bar up here and pop the nails loose. And say, for instance, this piece. Yeah. Don't even need the zipper, do we? Difficult to get at them because they're buried up in there. But the nails come out pretty easy because they're not driven real hard and real tight, because you need to leave the nails loose inside the holes so that the panel can expand and contract in the future.
Aha.
So these nails are they're floating kind of. They leave the panel float.
Interesting.
Just in there enough to, the panel is actually hanging off the nail, kind of like a picture. Right on this. That's it. Here's the new panel. Panel we're going to do similar. We're going to push this one inside. Get this to go in here. Sure we get it locked. It'll float. There we go. Slide it into place right there.
And then what about the nails?
Hit the studs again. Right?
Right.
So they're all marked. In the center of the holes. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to hit the center, just based on stud location. Float them again, don't drive them home, don't put them tight. Doesn't need much to hold this up. The hard one is going to be that one with that bend. There we go. Now we're going to put 2 screws back in here, and that's repaired. The new panel's installed. Color matches very nicely.